Today is the culmination of the Seeds project that our Year 8 students have been working on in science for the whole term. We are focusing on a sustainable future, and I'm sure you will enjoy hearing and learning about how ideas, designs and actions can help shape a better future for us all.
Wonderful to be here for the Pymble Ladies College Kids Teaching Kids Day. There's 10,000 students just like you doing Kids Teaching Kids workshops all across the country on our oceans, on climate change, on sustainable fashion, on water, waste, energy, biodiversity, sustainable transport, any issue that you can think about.
Kids Teaching Kids is when Year 5s and Year 6s come up to the middle school and the Year 8s teach us about sustainability.
We just did a talk on renewable energy sources and I think we had a pretty good response from the audience.
It enables students in upper grades to research something. It could basically be anything, and then we just spread our knowledge to other students.
Thank you guys so much for making your filters.
I think Kids Teaching Kids is a really good program because it helps you interact with other kids and some kids that you've never met before and make friends.
I've just finished a workshop for Kids Teaching Kids. We were talking about the effects of deforestation on animals. How does backburning and land clearing affect animals in our local area?
It gives us a chance to see what the Year 8s do and we get inspiration from that to do our own projects.